Ide embarrassingly ignorant for Senator Kingibe not to know Section 28 of the Land Use Act. Wike. Country people, welcome to Sinok Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Put on your notification bell. E go ring once we drop update. Make you like, comment, and share our videos. During the presentation of the budget for the Federal Capital Territory, where Senator Ireti Kingibe, when they represent the FCT, come praise Nyesom Wike for in work for the FCT, a lot of people come be think say the quarrel when they get, they don't settle am. But with the tori when they enter now, it come be like say that quarrel dey far from being over. One heated political dispute come erupt on Thursday between the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, FCT, Nyesom Wike, and the FCT representative for Senate, Senator Ireti Kingibe, over the recent sealing of properties for Abuja due to say they not pay ground rent, some for many, many years. Senator Kingibe, on May 26, he don publicly condemn the mass clampdown, say e dey unconstitutional and high-handed. She come dey raise concerns, say the closure of several buildings, when e include the Federal Inland Revenue Service, the People's Democratic Party (PDP) National Secretariat, and Access Bank offices, say e violate the rights of residents and businesses. For the statement when she bring out for her official X handle, Kingibe use strong words to accuse the FCT administration, say dem dey disregard legal procedures. She dey argue say the enforcement measures fail to comply with provisions of the Land Use Act and the Urban and Regional Planning Act, which she say stipulate penalties such as fines and not be outright property seizure. According to her, she dey quote, say no Nigerian's property can be lawfully seized or sealed solely due to ground rent default. She come dey describe the actions of the Federal Capital Territory administration, say e dey indiscriminate and insensitive in light of the challenges when e dey face the country. She come also warn that such actions, e say e go remove public trust and e go deepen economic hardship for Abuja residents. Kingibe come pledge to push for legislative measures to ensure say due process govern the process in future when they wan do similar thing. For in response, Wike media aide Lere Olayinka, he come release a counter statement. And there he accused Senator Kingibe of ridiculous ignorance of existing land laws. He say her remarks dey reflect personal grudge wey she get for the minister, he say, rather than a genuine legal argument. According to Olayinka, he say e dey embarrassingly ignorant for a serving senator, say e no know section 28 of the Land Use Act. Olayinka come talk say ground rent no dey optional. E say na legal obligation, and failure to comply for 10, 20 or even 43 years, e say dem no go fit excuse am. Olayinka come insist say pipo when e no dey pay the ground rent, they constitute a breach of a property certificate of occupancy, C of O, and a valid reason under the law to revoke or to seal their properties. E come talk say if Kingibe na the FCT minister, she go fold her hands while landowners dey dodge payment of wetin dem suppose to pay legally. He accuse the senator say she dey use her position to defend property owners when e fail for their civic obligations, and he come call her say make e purge herself of hatred for Minister Wike. Senator Kingibe, he come say she stand her ground. She acknowledge say true, the payment of ground rent dey necessary. He say but enforcement must follow due legal procedure and to respect the rights of property owners. She say we no go allow frustration with defaulters override constitutional protections. She said democratic governance, it demand fairness, legality, and sensitivity to citizens' economic realities. The senator, he dey call for caution because she believes say things dey very hard for the country now. So make the Wike group not come make things dey harder. The quarrel when these two big FCT power players they get, so the president even intervene when he come approve 14-day grace period for defaulters to settle outstanding rent. And na that move of the president, na e come be like say they can't stop to dey seal places for a while. Senator Kingibe dey call on the residents of the FCT say make dem remain calm, make dem also dey law abiding. Say the situation she dey monitor am closely. He say because she dey committed to ensure say dialogue, justice, and due process e go win at the end of the day. My country people, how una see this development between these two power players for the country? Make una tell us for comment section.